This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to work on playing 3 different melodies together that are written in tablature notation. Of course, reading tablature and playing melodies on the guitar is the focus of this lesson series. So it's going to be great. This video accompanies the Tablature book from my method book series. In the book, we're going to start on page 123. We're actually going to be on pages 123, 125, and 127, playing songs 170, 172, and 174. So we're skipping over a little bit. These are each classical pieces. They actually were initially intended to be played fingerstyle, but when we use a pick, it's really great for us to develop coordination and control between our right and left hands, with that picking hand especially gaining more and more control. So it's super fun to do these with a pick. That's the way I've intended them to be done here with the Tablature book, as we are working through this Tablature book entirely with a pick. Of course, you may be doing with your thumb, but hopefully by now we've gotten to this point in the book, which is song 170, you're using a pick. So it's going to be great. We're going to do these songs right along with drums or percussion accompaniment, which will be really helpful to us and make it kind of fun. These ones don't have the same kind of chord accompaniment that some of the other songs we've done. We've done some with just drum accompaniment before, and that's how we're going to do these, because I think that's what will be most helpful to you as we play through these. Now, just a couple little hints here. We are to this fun and challenging repertoire part, so I won't be going over specifics on how to play everything. As we have worked through all these positions on the guitar, we've worked on shifting between positions on the guitar, and we've learned to do this. Now we just get to play some fun repertoire that'll help us push our technique and our playing ability even further than we have done so far in this lesson series. With number 170, though, I want to point out that this one is really this chord arpeggio sort of thing. So it's really helpful with this one if you just look for chord shapes in the tablature. You'll see that 2, 1, 0, 1. Anytime you see where everything is happening on a different string, you can put those fingers down and hold them until you have to change where they're at. That way you get this sound ringing over top of itself. You get these, it's a fuller sound. If I cut each one off, that's a different sound that's happening. And you could go for that. That's okay to go for that if you want to. It's kind of fun to mute those and get staccato, but the idea is to get this chord ringing over top of itself. And you can change up your fingerings with this one, like I just did. I just shifted into 3rd position. You don't have to necessarily stay in 1st position and using other fingerings. So just be aware of that with this one. In at least half measure increments, you can put the whole thing down at once, and that creates a better sound. With number 172, on page 125, you're going to start off in 5th position, and then from there you'll have a little bit of shifting, so you'll have to use that technique that we've worked on before. And then with number 174 on page 127, with that one you can just do that in 1st position, and you just do the best you can. Now it's going to be super fun. Of course, each one of these is going to happen at 2 different tempos, a slower tempo and a faster tempo, so you can work it up to both tempos. It's going to be great though. Let's go ahead and play these. awesome. In the next video, of course, we'll move on to number 171 and 173, which will be some fun old bluesy melodies that come out of that early jazz era, the New Orleans period. So we got some fun stuff coming up. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.